today this is gonna be your animal preschool. So you're gonna have a little doll inside here. They have all kinds of different ones right on the box here. They also have a secret one right down here. So I'm gonna see which one I got in my box. So it comes wrapped up like this right here, and we're gonna reveal what doll I got. Look how adorable this is. So it has a little handle part right up in here. It has your eyes, nice and soft. It has these little like beads right in the back here. Look how cute this is.